guys, welcome to Disney Surprise Toy Collector. Look at everything we have here today. I wonder what's in that surprise egg. Ooh, look at those fashions. And more DisneyFrozen dolls. I'm really wondering what's in that question mark surprise egg. More surprise eggs? Alright guys, let's start with Anna. There she is. Look at her pretty birthday dress. Next up is Elsa. Let's open her up. She's got a beautiful dress. Look at her Elsa braid. Next, let's open a Disney fashion. Let's shake it around. I wonder what's in here. Let's see what's inside. Whoa, it's Olaf. Look how cute he is. With his orange carrot nose. Look how squishy he is. Alright, let's switch it up. Let's go for a surprise egg. I wonder what's in here. Let's check it out. Ooh, a yellow egg. Look, it's Pinkie Pie. Look at her pretty pink hair. All right, let's do another Disney fashion. What do you think it is? Let's open it up. It's Olaf again. The only thing better than one Olaf is two Olafs. Let's check out this sparkly surprise egg. What's in there? It's Peppa Pig, ready to scoop your favorite ice cream. Looks like Peppa's got some pink sparkly ice cream. Let's open a My Little Pony fashion. Here we go. Wonder who it is. Look, it's Sweet Belle. Look at her horn. Look at her cute little unicorn horn. And she's so squishy, just like Olaf. Let's peel open this green surprise egg. It's green on the inside too. Who do you think is inside? It's Daisy from Palace Pets. Look at her green eyes, and she's got a pretty pink tiara. We've got two more eggs. I wonder what's in here. Any guesses? It's Mrs. Cupcake from My Little Pony. Look at her swirly pink hair. And her earrings match her wings. One more fashion. Another Pinkie Pie. Let's put her next to the other one. It must be Twins Day. We've got two sets of twins. Now let's open the DisneyFrozen dolls. Who do we have here? Here's Kristoff. Next up is Anna. Look at her dress. And here's Elsa in her sparkly blue dress. And here's Prince Hans. Boo. We're up to our last egg. What do you think is inside? We've got a blue egg. Ah, it's Beauty from Palace Pets. She's such a cute little kitty cat. It looks like Anna's got another surprise for us. I wonder what it is. It's some Disney Frozen chocolate surprise eggs. Let's open it up. Let's split the chocolate open. What's inside? It's Olaf! He's so tiny and cute. We've got another one. This is making me hungry. I love chocolate. What's in here? It's Anna! It's Kristoff! Let's do another egg. Wow, how many are in here? Split the chocolate. What do we have? Another Kristoff. So many twins today. And it's Kristoff again. We've got triplets. Oh, I guess we have one more egg. Did someone say chocolate? It's Sven, Kristoff's moose. And there's everyone! So many surprises today! If you liked our videos, make sure to subscribe by pressing the pretty pink button. Oh, Sven looks like he's eating Olaf.